Hello, and welcome to the Encompass Medical Management instructional series on using the EMM telehealth system. This video will cover creating a referral for a patient to receive a series of web-based appointments using the EMM telehealth services. By the end of this video, you should understand the steps necessary to log in as an EAP administrator, create a referral for an existing patient, and set the initial number of allowed sessions for that patient. As an EAP administrator on the EMM telehealth system, you will be provided a login, URL, and credentials that will be for your specific use. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the EMM telehealth demo site. Let's begin by logging into the EAP URL with the credentials supplied to you by EMM. We are now looking at the EAP administrator interface. To create a referral for an existing patient, simply enter the unique patient ID number or patient first name last name in the search field. Searching for a patient with the search box will only find patients previously entered into the telehealth system. New patients must be entered through a different process. This information can be found in a separate instructional video entitled Adding a New Patient. We will search for the patient John Doe, who was previously entered into the system for the purposes of this video. Enter the patient name into the search field. Multiple patients with the same name can be identified by birth date, or you can search by unique PT ID. Select the correct patient from the drop-down list. John Q. Doe is the patient we want to make this referral for. The patient's information is now displayed, and we can make the referral. Click the Add New Referral button. A pop-up appears that will allow us to specify the line of business that the patient is a part of, the type of sessions that the patient will be provided, the provider that will be giving the sessions, and the number of sessions allowed to the patient. For this demo, we will choose WISD as the line of business, speech and hearing as the category that the patient's sessions will fall under, David Jones as the session provider, and 10 as the number of sessions allowed for the patient. Click the Update button, and the referral now appears in the patient's information window. You may change the information in the referral by clicking on the Edit button, or delete the referral entirely by clicking on the Delete button. The referral is now in the telehealth system. The patient's session provider can now schedule appointments in the system for that patient. You can now create other referrals for additional patients, or sign out of the telehealth system. This concludes this instructional video. Thank you for using the EMM instructional video series for the Encompass telehealth system. Further instructional videos can be found on the EMM YouTube channel.